I didn't see him. Fuck. Oh, there he is. Look, it's easy to spot that motherfucker. Super red. Aesthetics ruined thanks to people being stupid. The secret to the walks with Priya is they always think that she's a he.
Fighting with the real life and fantasy, of course. Mirrors clear, showing years getting older, G. Man. But something about this rapping got a hold of me. Hey. Cruising slow, producing clouds, sunroof ajar. Something dope when you show up and they know who you are. Man. Kept it me so easily, recite the dopest bars. Care no more about being star, cause now I'm above them all. Right now I'm just vibing, fired up and watch me go. Hey. Pocket full of money and my eyes rather low. I'm zoning, yeah. Straight zoning. Yeah, staring at the sky till we see an eye to eye. I'm just doing me so I can never get it wrong. I'm just doing me so I can never get it wrong. I'm zoning, yeah, straight zoning, yeah, staring at the sky till we see an eye to eye. Must admit I've slowed the pace, lost some spots up in the race. Right, record, film, upload, party, rap about it on my tapes. That was life back in the day. Made some change but nothing great. Had to make a money move, now I'm across the 50 states. Paper looking straight, happiness is what I'm after now. Working on it every day, still got me a little crowd. Few G's overheard a sheep, how I'm moving now. Plus I'm landlord Noonie every first for a few years now. And it's okay, I'm on my way, don't matter about the delay.
We should let old boy over there from inside in here.
Oh.
Right, Mama? I agree.
Who, the snake?
The snake, yeah. Poor Vato's in there in that small ass box.
He's out. Oh no.
Oh, comes back from the dead.
The bird. It's a show. She's knocking out. She's knocking out.
Where did it come from? That son of a bitch often had the match won. Look at all this. What the hell is this? It's a new champion. Stop, don't ready. Stop, ready.